Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll be telling you guys what is Snapchat friend limit and how you guys can fix this problem if you have this problem. And before I show you the steps on how to fix this, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on and let's move on. So first, let me describe what is friend limit on Snapchat. So most people think that they can add multiple friends on Snapchat. Well, yes you can, but there is a limit. Snapchat has a limit in the number of friends you have. And if you go above that limit, then it's going to show you Snapchat friend limit. And once you get Snapchat friend limit, it basically means that you cannot add another friend because Snapchat thinks you have too many friends. In that case, what Snapchat will think is Snapchat will think you are a bot account and you're trying to get as many friends as possible, so it tries to limit your friend. So if you have a lot of friends on Snapchat, then you're going to get this notification saying Snapchat friend limit. And once you get this notification, as I said, you cannot add any more people. In that case, the only way to solve this problem is by removing your friend. And I'm not telling you to remove all your best friend, alright? I'm telling you to remove the friends whom you don't talk with anymore, or like with whom you don't have contact with, or the friends which you just added randomly. And to do that, you need to first click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to your Snap profile. And over here, scroll a bit down and click on this option called My Friends. Once you click on My Friends, it's going to show you a list of all the friends you have added. And from the list, you can start searching for the friend which you don't want. And if you see the friend which you want to remove, you can hold on their name and then click on where it says Manage Friendship and click on Remove Friend. And click on Remove. This is basically asking, are you sure you want to remove the friend? I'm sure, so click on Remove. Once you do that, your friend will be removed from your friends list. And once your friend is removed from your friend list, you can add another friend, which means you lose one friend, you can add another friend. So just like this, remove multiple friends and you will be able to add multiple new friends. So that's basically what Snapchat friend limit is. So if you guys found our video helpful on what Snapchat friend limit is and how you guys can fix it, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.